Hi, I'm Elodie. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn the Katseye Pinky up dance from this part, which is at the end of the song. I'll teach the other little part that comes right before in another tutorial in the next few days. So we had the Coachella live performance, so now everything is super clear. Remember, this is a tutorial only, so if you want to practice with the music at different speeds, you can check my other videos. All the links are in the description below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, two other couple things before we start. So the dance is super fast, so make sure you practice many times. Once you know the dance, that's when you can add the K-pop, Katseye, face expressions, and attitude, which is super important in that kind of dances. Yeah, but that's what once you learn the dance and you know it very well. And second thing, super important, because of the jumps in the middle, make sure you really warm up properly before you start. Yes, with some pliés and maybe rises and little jumps. Yes, to make sure you really warm up. And also for your upper body, for the arms, the neck, the back, everything. Yes? All right, so now we are ready to start. We're gonna do mirrored, meaning this is your right, and this is your left. So we're gonna start in this position. Knees are bent, facing between the side and the diagonal. Yeah? Little pinky left up, right up, and the right is gonna go around. Yes, and while you do that, you're gonna stretch your legs. Yeah, so it's gonna be on 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna do your hips to the right, then to the left, then to the right. While you do that, you're gonna do 1 finger, then you turn your hand around, 2 fingers, and 3 fingers. Yes? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, prepare 8. Yes, with your pinkies up, hands on top of the shoulders. Yeah? So that's the count. But let's say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I'm gonna say what they say, and from here, that's when I'll start counting again. Yeah, so one more time with what they say. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're gonna stretch your arms and stretch your right leg and right leg down. Yes? So when you do that, your head goes up as well. Make sure you stretch your arms, yeah? Because when it's fast, it's really easy to do that and kind of keep your arms bent. So make sure they are straight and that your pinkies are up, yeah? So from here, we do and 1 on the right side. Then you bring your arms to the left side. Pinkies are still up. And you do that again. And 1, 2. Yeah? So we were here on 8 and we do. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then we do the head on 5. Then you're gonna lift your right knee up and your left arm. Still pinky up, yeah? So 6, 7, you stay, and 8, and. Let's do that again. Yeah, so we here on 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, head 5, knees up 6, you stay 7, 8, and on the end you put your hand down to prepare. Yes? One more time from the beginning and then we move on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and from here, you're gonna push your pelvis to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? So make sure when you put your hand down, you already prepare and you go a little bit forward. Otherwise, it's going to be awkward. You're not going to be able to go back. Yeah? So prepare your pelvis slightly forward. Then you have room to go back 4 times. While you do that, this hand is going to go up and this hand is going to go down. Yes? And you're going to put your head to the side, to the right side. So we're going to do 4 times. Yeah? So we finish here on 8 and we do 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to bring your legs together. Yes, and your arms are straight forward, still little pinkies. And then you come back. From here, that's when you're going to take the 2 jumps. Yeah, so 1, 2. Yes, so you have to do that super fast. So you're going to bend your knees. Yes, try to bring them as close to the butt as you can. Yeah, but you have to do it super fast. Yeah, so my advice is that when you do that, you put your upper body, your torso, slightly a bit forward, because if you stay like that, it's going to be hard. It's going to be hard to lift your legs. Yeah, so make sure you bring it a little bit forward so it's easier to lift your leg in the back and you can go a little bit faster. Yeah, so let's do again from here from 8. Yeah, so we were 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring your legs together. 5, 6. Still pinkies up and jumps. 7, 8. Yeah, let's do that again slowly from the top. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? From here, you're gonna take a little jump. Yeah, it's not very high to the side. Yeah, while you do that, you're gonna lift a little bit your hands. Yes, and bring them forward, open, and up in this position. Yes, make sure your arms are really bent. Pinkies up. Yes, again that. So we've done the 2 jumps and forward, open, up. Again. Forward, open, up. And the hands are going to come together and boom, open. Yeah, hands are flat and you look up. Yes, so you were here, so boom, here. And while you do that, your knees are gonna go in that position. Yes? Again, from when we finish the jumps. So we do and open. Yeah? Then close. It's really fast. So in the live performance, most of the girls close, but some don't really close. They just kind of put their arms like that down to do the next step because it's really fast. So it's up to you. Yeah, I think if you think it's too fast and you don't have time, I think it's better from here to go directly to the next step and not close. So it will make everything cleaner. But if you can do quickly, like most of them do, then go for it. I'm going to do the real version, but know that you can also not really close your legs and go to the next step after that. Yeah? So again, we've done the jump. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. One more time. We've done the jumps on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, close, 4. Let's keep going a little bit. Then we do 5, 6. Yeah, that's why I was saying that, because your legs are together and you have to open your legs again. Yes, but if you stay here, your legs are already in the right position. Yeah, but we're gonna close for now. So you open your hips to the left, hips to the right. Yes, and you're gonna do little circles, still pinky up, and you're gonna do little circles with the arms. Yeah, they bend. Yeah, so we're gonna do left hip, right hip. Yes, and you can go with the head a little bit as well. Yes, head and hip to the left, right hip and head to the right. Yes, let's just finish that 8. Yeah, so we've done 5, 6. We're gonna do 7, 8. Yeah, so the hips are gonna go left, right, left. It's super fast. Pam, pam, pam. That's what it is in the performance. Pam, pam, pam. Yes, and still pinky up. You're gonna go the left going back and the right is in front, and then you change, and then you change. Yeah, you go around your head 3 times. Yeah. So let's do again after the jumps. We jump 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, one more time. Jump 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it goes really fast. It's really pam, pam, pam. Yeah, so you don't have time to do like a really big movement. Yeah, it's just pam, pam, pam around the top of the head. Let's take it from the top. Yeah, still very slowly. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that one more time. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. From here, we're gonna take 4 steps. Let's do just the legs first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, you can go wherever you want because they just change formation. Yeah, so some go forward, some go back, then some go to the side. I'm going to the back because my space is really small. So, but you can do whatever you want. Yeah. So we just do 4 steps. Yes. 1, 2, 3, close 4. Yeah. So your hip can go a little bit with your legs. So left hip, left hip, close. Yeah. So we were tan, 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 and you're gonna put the left down and the right is gonna go up. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, close. So still pinky up and you shake your hand, yes? And you can put your left hand on the hip if you want. Yeah, so we're gonna do, so we've done pam, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and open with the right leg, open, and fist. So you're gonna sit on your left hip. Yes. Fist with both hands, okay? So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's almost finished. And with the left hand, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start with the thumb, 1, and then the other fingers follow. While you do that, you're gonna turn with your right fist. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the right hand is gonna go in front of your left hand and gonna go down. Yes, while you do that, this one's gonna close and you only gonna have the little left pinky up. Yeah, so you were here, so right hand, pinky, boom. And when you finish, you can send the hips the other way. Yes, so you were here and you do boom. One more time. You were here, right hand in front of the left hand and boom, and pinky is up. Yeah, so again from the walk. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, open your right leg, fist, and fingers, and right hand, boom. Okay, one more time, same thing. And 1, 2, 3, 4, open your right leg, fist, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom. Yeah, so with the counts, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yes, you finish on the 1, on the boom. Yeah, so this is super fast. It's pa 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 pam. Yeah, and this is it. Yeah, so let's do slowly from the top. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah, one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Last time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.